Check out this 2016 Kia Optima. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 80,000 miles on the odometer. Here's a stylish and capable Kia Optima, the midsize, family-friendly sedan that prioritizes safety and passenger comfort. With standard driver assist features, ample cargo room, and striking good looks, you'll feel confident on every journey. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: electronic stability control, trip computer, power windows, ABS, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. Luxurious cruiser meets sporty innovator in this feature-rich Optima. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.